Nigeria is making remarkable progress in sustainable cooling solutions under the leadership of the Federal Ministry of Environment's National Ozone Office and with the support of UNDP, UNIDO, UNEP, and other international partners. The country is successfully phasing out ozone-depleting substances and adopting ozone and climate-friendly refrigeration and air conditioning technologies. Over 700 enterprises in the foam, refrigeration, and air conditioning rack sector have transitioned to ozone-friendly technologies. To further support these shifts, 75 low-pressure foaming machines have been distributed to ice block making machine and cold room manufacturers, fostering the adoption of sustainable blowing agents for thermal insulation in the manufacture of these equipment. In partnership with UNDP, the ministry has successfully converted rigid polyurethane foam manufacturing lines at Vitapor Limited to use ozone and climate-friendly blowing agents, demonstrating Nigeria's commitment to green manufacturing. Nigeria has established and equipped more than 30 refrigeration and air conditioning training centers for training and certification of technicians on good refrigeration practices using ozone and climate-friendly refrigerants. To build capacity of trainers on the use of ozone-friendly alternatives, a Train the Trainer program was carried out in Italy, where the capacities of 30 trainers were enhanced with advanced skills on safe refrigeration practices using hydrocarbon refrigerants. Additionally, 83 technicians in Nigeria received similar training as that of Italy. Furthermore, 90 technicians were also trained on improving energy efficiency in the refrigeration and air conditioning servicing sector, with the support of the Clean Cooling Collaborative. Thus, Nigeria continues to enhance her technical capacity for sustainable cooling solutions. Nigeria's policies and regulations align with global climate commitments, reinforcing its leadership in ozone protection. The development of the Nigeria Cooling Action Plan (NCAP) and the updated ozone layer protection regulations support the phase-out of high global warming potential refrigerants. These measures also combat the illegal trade of banned substances under the relevant multilateral agreements, strengthening regulatory enforcement across the country. Innovation drives Nigeria's sustainable cooling industry. The establishment of a pilot hydrocarbon refrigerant plant in 2015 showcases the country's indigenous capacity to produce high-grade alternatives to HCFC 22 with potential for commercial scale-up. Moreover, Nigeria has successfully developed ozone-friendly polyurethane systems for rigid foam production at Vitapor Limited in Lagos, a milestone achieved in collaboration with UNDP. These initiatives boost local manufacturing, create jobs, and position Nigeria as a leader in climate-friendly cooling technologies. Strategic partnerships with industry stakeholders, UN agencies, and international bodies have been instrumental in achieving these milestones. public awareness campaigns, and advocacy efforts continue to drive the adoption of sustainable cooling solutions nationwide. As part of the Hydrochlorofluorocarbon Phase-Out Management Plan (HPMP) Stage 2, the Federal Ministry of Environment officially handed over state-of-the-art refrigeration and air conditioning training equipment to 18 beneficiary centers. This initiative strengthens Nigeria's transition to ozone-friendly cooling technologies and reinforces the country's leadership in sustainable refrigeration practices. With a successful conversion of Sacral Industries' air conditioning manufacturing line supported by UNIDO, Nigeria is replacing HCFC-22 and HFC-410A with R-32, a more energy-efficient and climate-friendly refrigerant. This project advances Nigeria's target of a 67.5% reduction in HCFC consumption by 2025, while supporting local manufacturing and job creation.